Manipur Police, Indian Army, Assam Rifles are dusra security forces kaniki logot milikina February 3 day Manipur laga Kakching, Kangpokpi, Churchandpur or Thoubal day joint operation dosta hatiyar ammunition or dusra warlike stores cover crucial. The operation do specific intelligence logot khobor pa bichide loiship. Itu national dusra operation day 26 January day Assam Rifles ra Kangpokpi district Nepali Basti Veitum Khullen Khoken boosted rifles, sniper rifle, pistol, grenade, ammunition recover crucial. Itulaka same team day Taibanganba Assam Rifles or Manipur Police ra Thoubal district day Kangleipak Communist Party laga ekta cadre ge ammunition logot crucial. January 28 be Churchandpur district day joint operation lo homoy day 6 long range rockets, launchers 10 or dusra items can recover crucial. January 30 be Kakching district day rifles, pistols, grenade or ammunition can buy shem. Recover Korea hatiyar or arrested individuals can sub Manipur Police ke handover Kurikanasi.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.